Are you looking to brush up on your technology skills or interested in learning some new and exciting ways to engage your students with technology? Well, if so, then I want to personally invite you to the 2021 Georgia Educational Technology Conference, which will be held November 3rd through 5th, just a few weeks away. And let's see what you can look forward to by attending. Well, for one, I would love your support, as I have been selected to be a presenter to share some of the latest tips and tricks about Whiteboard.Chat version 2.0. So come learn some of the recent changes and new features included in this latest version. And for those of you not familiar with this awesome virtual whiteboard, take a sneak peek. I'll leave a link down below in the description box. Another reason for attending this technology conference is that you can hear from the experts, learn new skills, meet vendors, and stay up to date with the latest trends in education and technology. And it's a great opportunity for you to network with fellow teachers. So whether you're teaching virtually, face-to-face, or simultaneously, don't miss out on your opportunity to become an agent of change by attending this year's Georgia Educational Technology Conference. Hope to see you there. Keep in mind that registration will be limited due to COVID restrictions to allow for appropriate social distancing. So don't delay and register today, and take advantage of the extra savings between now and October 8th. As always, thank you for watching, and to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.